first court appearance for Pretty and is not looking good because now ukare ba mo hlafuna go court, and I don't understand why. Nah. I don't understand why the judge is talking so much, because this is supposed to be the battle of the lawyers, or the kind of, what do they call those people? Yeah, those ones, the lawyers, but abameli. Yeah, I don't know them in English. There's a judge, there's a lawyer, and the what? These are the people that are supposed to be what, to be battling for mango bolela maka, mango bolela neti, and the lawyers and the advocates and stuff. But then the judge, though, the judge seems to have an agenda, and the judge seems like he is on Mr. Chibase's side, because he keeps saying how out of order Pretty is, and how Mr. Chibase has an agreement. Like, wabana motho ha setse already ofidiwa nga mafhungo ni amubona, like first hand ni amubona uri hoyu ono fidiwa, ono badeliwa, and okhono mkhonyovo. Andimthembi mina judge, andimthembi tu. The way kunezimpawu that shows ukuthi lo judge lo, he's leaning towards Mr. Chibase's side, and he is not going to let the truth come out, even if there is any. Pretty also raised a fact that Mrs. Chibase was sidelined, and there's other assets that have been hidden from her, and there's other things that she was not told about, and also the withdrawal of the money from the account was something that was done with there was consensus in between while this withdrawal was done. But now Mr. Chibase is presenting it as if it was a breach of contract, but he was well away. And now the judge is saying that if there was a meeting and these people, they spoke together, so there's no need for this court. Mnanditilo judge upatariwe, guys. I don't know gutini na nibona ganjan. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skeem Saam. Dimadekwana sanbonan abshen molweni minjani ipikile hingongwina. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina Skeem Saam ikuma koroslostensekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Kwezikazi found a rental house, and I think an apartment, and that apartment, she is not really bothered about how much it is, but it looks like the person that is supposed to pay, who is the boyfriend, he's a bit worried, because he asked how much is the rental, because now he said that the landlord said they can move in while they're still preparing paperwork. For me, which is a red flag. You must do paperwork first and then you move in. But yeah, they can move in while they sort out paperwork. Hi Angas, how does this one work out? But then again, boyfriend okay, it's fine, we can do that. The apartment looks nice and very beautiful. We can do it. How much is the rent? At 70K mtase. Ha 70 who? Is it 70 naira or in rands? To 70,000 rent as a rent, so which means Uguti, because if it's 70K, it means it has to be 140,000, because obviously you have to put down the deposit first, and then beseke ugel uyabuya ke boyfriend was bekakameka ngalo 70K, then she comes back and say, I've paid the deposit and we need to start moving. Well, he was not happy about that situation, because he feels that he's supposed to be in Dota Yomuzi. Ole Hasa was at court for Pretty's first appearance. I don't feel the love between Lehasa and Pretty, but Gebaza shame, I don't know what is happening. And then Umelita was so shocked to find that Ivy has disclosed all of her problems and all of her shenanigans. She was so shocked to realize Uguti Ivy has exposed everything that she went through, she has done, because now Umelita was trying to say that Ivy cannot work in the same place because she is a monster and she does not deserve to be given a job. Somebody else can work. And then she even threatened leaving her job. But HR is not even about that life. HR would say, no, whatever that you're telling us, we already know. And besides, it's not about me. I am only part of the panel. The panel is the one that will decide whether we give Ivy umsebenzi or not. Mina ndithi babamnike, guys. Ndithi babamnike, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so very much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to give this video a very big thumbs up. And remember to leave me a comment down below.